Hey, Financial Context family. Welcome back to the Financial Context channel. Today, we're delving into a fascinating topic that has been making waves in the financial world: cryptocurrency and blockchain. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and check out the link in the description for Skillshare courses on this exciting subject. Now, let's demystify the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology and understand why it's more than just a buzzword. Cryptocurrency and blockchain. Let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Now, blockchain is the real game changer. It's a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers, making it transparent, secure, and resistant to modification. Skillshare offers courses that dive deep into the fundamentals of cryptocurrency and blockchain, providing a solid foundation for anyone looking to understand this revolutionary technology. Why cryptocurrency matters. But why does cryptocurrency matter? Well, it brings decentralization to the financial world. Traditional banking relies on centralized authorities, but cryptocurrencies operate on a peer-to-peer network, eliminating the need for intermediaries. This not only enhances security but also promotes financial inclusion, allowing access to financial services for those without traditional banking. Skillshare courses explore the potential impact of cryptocurrencies on the global financial landscape, examining the benefits and challenges of this decentralized approach. Investing in cryptocurrency. Now, let's talk about investing. Cryptocurrency has become a popular investment choice, but it comes with risks. Skillshare courses cover investment strategies, risk management, and understanding market trends. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your investment approach, these courses provide valuable insights to navigate the volatile world of cryptocurrency investing. Skillshare advantage. Before we wrap up, let me highlight the Skillshare advantage. Investing in your understanding of cryptocurrency and blockchain through Skillshare can cost just a few $100s for a year. It's an investment in knowledge that can potentially bring huge financial gains. The link in the description is your gateway to Skillshare's comprehensive courses on cryptocurrency, ensuring you're well equipped to navigate this dynamic and evolving space. In conclusion, cryptocurrency and blockchain are reshaping the financial landscape. Skillshare empowers you to grasp the intricacies of this transformative technology, offering courses that cater to beginners and enthusiasts alike. If you found this information insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your thoughts. Subscribe for more in-depth content, and until next time, stay financially informed and keep learning.